Alright, here's a quick demo of how easy it is to use this app service. So we're pulling up to the gate here. I'm just going to open up the portcullis. It's a progressive web app, so it'll install. You only have to sign in the first time you're using it here. So I'll select my work account and should get us going here. Give it a moment. Alright, notification about how to use it. And we have the option to open and auto close or whatever, but we just need to move the gate. So I'll just move the gate here. And voila!